Hi. So in this video we're going to create some variables that we'll use to display the letter key information on the screen. Now we're going to need 4 different groups of variables here. We're going to have labels that say like the A key and the B key and things like that. And then we're going to have text that says whether or not those keys were pressed or not. So the word pressed or not pressed. And then we need variables for the positioning of each of those text elements on the screen. So we're going to have 26 letter keys, 26 label key text, and then 26 position for each of those, 26 times 4. Then we're also going to need some variables for actually capturing the keyboard input. And while we're at it, we're going to create variables for capturing the mouse input and the game controller input. So we'll have all of those ready to go. So that's what we need. So let's get to it. So we'll come up to the top of the Game 1 page here, right? Let's put them just above the font here. We're going to first put a keyboard state variable, and we're just going to call this key state underscore 01, which is my naming convention. And then the system calls the game controller's gamepad, so it's gamepad state, which I'm going to call pad underscore 01, and semicolon, and then mouse state, and I'm going to call this mouse 01. And we'll use those later. We'll use the key state first off. But now we'll start entering the actual variables for the keys. So first we're going to put the labels. So a string, text string, label, and underscore, and start with A and semicolon. And string, text string, label B, underscore B, and semicolon, and string, and text string, label C, underscore C, and you're getting the idea, I'm sure, so we'll skip ahead. And then down to the end here, string, text string, label, underscore Z. So there it is. And these are in your book, you know, in case you forget the alphabet or something. So next is the actual values, which we're going to use to hold pressed or not pressed. So text string underscore A, and string, text string underscore B. Again, I'm sure this is getting monotonous, so we'll skip ahead a little bit. And string, text string underscore Z. Okay, so that's the strings. Now we need the positions. There's X and Y, so we need a vector 2 that'll hold 2 different numbers. So text string label pause for position underscore A. And you can use a different naming convention. This is just one that makes sense for me. So text string label pause underscore B, semicolon. Again, you get the idea, so we'll skip ahead. And vector 2, text string label pause underscore Z. So that's it for the labels. Now we need positions for the actual pressed and not pressed of the keys. So vector 2, text string pause underscore A, semicolon, vector 2, text string pause underscore B. Again, probably getting monotonous, so we'll skip ahead. And there's the last one, text string pause underscore Z. So there they are. We've got our vector 2s for the 2 different sets of letter information, the strings, For those sets of information, we've got our input variables here, so we can save it and just look through it again here. And okay, looks good, and we'll see you in the next video.